morning, RPC. I'm Georgetta, and this is Kay Pasa. I Still Do Marriage Ministry will be hosting the Art of Marriage seminar August 1st through the 2nd at the Ooltewah campus. This event will take place Friday, August 1st, 6 o'clock to 9 p.m., and Saturday, August 2nd, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The cost will be $40 per couple. Child care will be available. Please visit our website to register now. Calling all actors, stagehand, and production. If you're interested in helping with our fall production, Sacred Storm, please email crystalkeeter@gmail.com for further questions. Calling all moms of all seasons. Please join us for a time of fellowship talking about how to keep our marriages and relationships healthy. This event will take place Friday, August 8th at our Ooltewah Youth Sanctuary from 6:30 to 10 o'clock. We hope to see you all there. On August 2nd from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., Firebrand will be having their rites of passage for the incoming 6th graders. They will be going to Signal Mountain Youth Camp. For more info or to RSVP, please email Jeff for Highland Park and Josh for Ooltewah. If you're a guest here at RPC, we would like to thank you for joining us. If you would take a minute to fill out the connection card located in your bulletin so we can get to knowing you a little better. If you're a member here at RPC and want to get more involved, fill out the back side and turn it into the Connection Center. All right, family, until next time, I'm Georgetta, and this is Kay Pasa.